Choice.
And the market here is really expensive.
It's really expensive.
Is it here?
Hey market. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today is the 1st of October. So we are off to the market. We are off to the market. We are off to the main market here in Congo. So I want to take you guys along. Mother, say hello. See, Daddy is doing video. So Mother, say hello.
Hello.
So I came to make this video in this place because I realized the camera here is so cute. Yes, that's another video up there. So we are going to the market. I'm just going to take you guys along. Since we came here, today is the first day actually that we are going to the market. So maybe if I do this video today, I'll upload it today so that you guys should see what the market looks like. I'm so excited because this is their main market. Normally we have a market beside us here, but it's just a small market. But this one is a main market. And also I dry because I don't have time to go to the salon and stay inside the dryer. So while we are going to the market, the hair will just get dry. When I'm back, I'll pass, then they'll just plait the hair for me to continue putting on my cute wigs. Okay? Yes, I'm come on Zingamposa. Where come in Gamposa? I come Tafotabo. I come Gamposa. See fresh girl. See fresh baby. Mama shake it. Okay, you guys. Let's go. My introduction is done. See wow. Introduction is done. So let's go. I woke up at 5 o'clock and I washed them. Yes, you are at the gate already. See somebody's wife. See somebody's wife. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shosho. As my DJ.
That is the ending of this town.
Oh, yeah. And it's when you was coming to Dolezi entrance.
There's this particular place whereby we always see people taking bus to. They always say phone cheche. So the place is.
Now they take different transport to go to elsewhere.
So we'll go to phone cheche now today or tomorrow.
We go tomorrow.
We just got them to say phone cheche. We don't even know how to go. Just go. Only because they will call the place name. Okay, market it there.
Market it now, phone cheche.
Rainfall. See only water rain. 1st October, I tell you that it means say when the real rain season can reach. Gamache. There's traffic. Fine woman, beautiful girl. So there's too much traffic. We are going to the market. Traffic. You know that Bonaberry traffic. Is it Bonaberry traffic there? That wrong point. That aqua traffic. Yes.
Bonaberry traffic is the worst.
Okay, that Bonaberry traffic with inside traffic from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock for evening time, or from 6 for evening to 10 for night. It's the kind of traffic that we are inside right now. Let me show you. And when there's that traffic, there are so many lanes, different lanes. See the bus now. If you want yeah, that kind of traffic. Yeah.
Police are.
So the police they can't. Okay, now they are motor you should run so they can't control traffic.
Okay, now they die place to make the traffic safe. Parce que I really ask myself, say the lane, so how many traffic do come for the line? I know say they play really they clean.
We are now inside the market. The market is so big, and I heard that they can track my phone. They can pull my phone. So I'm very careful the way I handle my phone, just because I want to show you guys market. Yeah.
We are at Congo Central Market.
Yes. Very big market. Kolo, 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 kolo.
See that guy, mama, I put on 5
500, they sell out for the. Only the kind of eye they pass, they look my phone. Or the eye they if I'm not sharp skin, they go track them. Track me phone. Correct, you know. As much day.
We will be content creator. You understand? On create a video.
So we are inside this shop. Want to buy suits. They have so many beautiful suits here. So we want to buy suits. They have turkey suits here, very, very affordable. Very affordable, and they are so cute. Is it here? They are so cute.
Okay, we'll buy tomatoes. Yes. We'll buy all of them.
Yeah, market. We just finished from the market and we're going. It's not easy, you guys. It's not easy. The traffic in the market, and maybe people trying to like take your phone away from you and all that. where you see views like this is the park. Foka Klein Horse. Mayo. That's Mayo. J'ai monté tous les photos. But this one Congo and this other side. Dangote cement. And then a class. Their own brasseries. Yeah. This is what they pass every day. This is what they pass every day now. This is where they sell cars. Hotel in the Congo. Chibamba. It's a university. It's a école. École primaire. Okay, école primaire. Hello guys, good morning. Okay, so I just want to conclude the video that we filmed while we went to the market. So I want my sister to tell you guys about her own experience comparing this market here and any of our markets in Douala.
Hello guys, good morning. The market here is far back local as compared to our market in Cameroon. So we are just managing because we have no choice.
And the market here is really expensive.
It's really expensive. Can you imagine they sell 3 pieces of potatoes, Irish potatoes, for 1,000 francs?
And it's a big market, like the central market.
The central market, can you imagine?
So that's our take. The market is big, though we didn't tour around the entire market, but it shows that it's a big market, like the main market here at Point Noir. But you guys, it's really expensive. So that's our take about the market. So thank you so much for watching. See you all in our next video. We are off to work.
Wow.
We are going to walk. Find you.